Slack for desktop and web gets a dark mode. Here's how to enable it. Months after rolling out to Android, iPhone, and iPad, Slack has brought dark mode to its desktop and web apps on Windows, macOS, and Linux. The theme is a mix of black and gray with white text, making it easy to read throughout the workday. At the time of writing, Slack states that you must manually enable dark mode. In a future update, the service should be able to automatically switch between light and dark mode based on your operating system's settings. Note, dark mode is going to remain device specific. This means that if you enable dark mode on your smartphone, dark mode on your desktop won't automatically turn on, or vice versa. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or visit your workspace on the web. Next, click on your workspace's name found at the top of the left sidebar. On the next screen, click on Themes, and then select Dark. Doing so will invert most of the colors, making the light and white colors black, and the dark and black colors white. Note, for reasons unknown, some users are reporting that the Themes option is hidden within the Sidebar menu on their desktop and web apps. If you aren't immediately seeing the Themes menu option, check for it within Sidebar. With dark mode now enabled, you can further customize Slack's sidebar theme. The built-in color options should be available directly under the dark mode section. Dark mode won't necessarily prolong your battery life if you're working from a laptop, but it looks better than a bunch of bright white pixels if you ask us. Text source, howtogeek.com